the quiet strength, the daily kindness, and the ongoing choice to grow together. To honor that, I'd like to share a brief reading from The Art of Marriage by Wilfred Arlen Peterson. Happiness in marriage is not something that just happens. A good marriage must be created. In marriage,
the little things are the big things. It is never being too old to hold hands. It is remembering to say, I love you, at least once a day. It is never going to sleep angry. It is at no time taking the other for granted. The courtship should not end with the honeymoon. It should continue through all the years. It is having a mutual sense of values and common objectives. It is standing together, facing the world. It is forming a circle of love that gathers in the whole family. It is doing the things for each other, not in the attitude of duty or sacrifice, but in the spirit of joy. It is speaking words of appreciation and demonstrating gratitude in thoughtful ways.
Kyle, with this ring, do you take Dayton to be your wife, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and cherish until death do you part?
I do.
Dayton, with this ring, do you take Kyle to be your husband, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and cherish until death do you part?
I do.
By the power vested in me as an ordained minister, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss them.
May your marriage be the greatest adventure of all, and your love the protection against whatever life has to throw at you. I love you both forever.
Cheers to Dayton and Kyle. We love you.
And here's to Dayton and Kyle. And to all of us, Please mark moments, share them with each other, and share them with the people that you love now. Love you both.